Let me show you how to add fire and flames effect in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image, and then decrease the opacity. Adjust the size, angle, and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to screen. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a levels. Click on the clip to layer icon. I'll increase the shadow input to 100, and the highlight output is 220. Then close Properties window. Select the fire layer. Then create a layer mask. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush, I'll make the brush opacity as 20%, and the flow is 100%. Make sure foreground color is black, and paint with black to erase the extras. And that's it. Hope you liked it.